Hello and welcome to another renovation video by Wayne and Joe. This time we are at our chapel in Wales, tackling some extensive dry rot. In this video we show you how to spot dry rot and what we did to fix it. Our beloved chapel, with its stunning interior, had a silent enemy lurking within its walls, dry rot. But fear not, for this is a story of resilience and restoration. It all began when we discovered signs of dry rot in the chapel. The telltale musty smell and discolored wood were red flags. Dry rot is a common issue in buildings, and it's something we take very seriously, given the historical and cultural significance of this chapel. Dry rot is a formidable adversary, capable of silently eroding the very structure of our chapel. It thrives in damp conditions, feeding on wood and spreading its spores. You can see here the dead part of the dry rot. It looks like thin tree roots spreading out. When we pulled the pew away from the wall, the true extent of the problem and the damage it had caused became apparent. This had been caused by poor ventilation, as the chapel has been empty for a number of years. There was only one thing we could do, and that was to dispose of the rotting wood and try and preserve as much of the unaffected wood as we could. It was so sad to see how much damage the dry rot had caused, but we are glad we got to it sooner rather than later. If we had left it even for another few months, I dread to think how much worse it would have been. This is the back of the pew we removed. This is what live dry rot looks like. Not pretty, is it? We also removed all the rotten wood from the stairs and cleared away all the debris from the fallen ceiling. This is what we used to spray all the affected areas to protect it from further dry rot. It is a treatment and preserver against wet rot, dry rot, fungi, and wood-boring insects. The whole area was thoroughly sprayed, and we now make sure the building is properly aired and ventilated to minimize any further problems. If you have any questions about any of restoration projects, please comment below. Please like and subscribe to our channel, as we will be making loads more videos on the restoration of the chapel over the coming months. Till next time. Goodbye.